Hey everybody, in this video, we're going to expand upon some of the new features we have in the new UI. One of those being the ability to use 2-bit characters to send messages in different languages, currently including English, Spanish, French, German, Chinese, Vietnamese, and Korean. So what does that mean for you? It means that if you need to use those special characters to send in those languages, you are now able to. So let's go in and see what that may look like. This is only available in the new UI. So if you log into your account, make sure using the classic view, make sure you go into the button that says new UI. And then we want to go ahead and make sure we're at our mass messages and select compose in the upper right-hand corner. Now here, let's go ahead and just put our description. I'm going to say Spanish and English, all of the usual characters here. And I'm going to send this to me. And we're going to send a text message. Now from here, you'll notice there are a few options. You can start from scratch and start typing. I'm going to go ahead and start with a template. Since I did put in a Spanish and an English version, I thought I would spare everybody the pain of watching me trying to type out in Spanish and in English. So let's go ahead, and this is a good opportunity for you to realize that you can make any of your text messages templates and then go back and use them and edit them as you see fit. So I'm going to head and choose my template. And you can see here that I have already put in a Spanish blurb and then the equivalent English blurb. So we have, good morning, join us in 30 minutes for the weekly team webinar. This week, learning about overcoming challenges, see you there. And as you can see, that is also spelled out in Spanish using all of the appropriate accents as one would hope to receive if you are speaking Spanish and receiving this on your phone. So hopefully this will help all of our clients who are who need to send out messages, whether it's French and Vietnamese and Korean. It will really help you when sending those messages out to your international audience. So once you have selected this, you can also see that we have a great new previewer. You can either save your new message as a template or go ahead and save and close, a chance to review it one more time, and then you can send. And when you receive it on your phone, Viola, it will be just as it looks when you typed it. If you have any additional questions regarding the platform, the new UI, sending GIFs, emojis, or using 2-bit languages, please contact support at iZigg.com, and we are happy to help. Thank you so much.